Hi, I'm Kelly and this is my frilly apron, and today I'm going to show you how to make pistachio custard pie, and you're absolutely going to love it.
We begin by adding milk and cream to a pot. Then we will beat our eggs with sugar and vanilla sugar and slowly add some corn flour to that mixture, and then temper it with that warmed milk and cream mixture, and then back into the pot it goes again. Stir until it becomes really nice and thick. Now I'm getting the pistachio butter ready to mix it into that beautiful custard. Stir well to combine. It is just so thick and luscious. Time for a taste test. Absolutely delicious. It's so yummy. Pour into a shallow dish, cover with cling wrap and pop it into the fridge. Next, we will process the pistachios with a little bit of sugar into a fine crumb and beat our pistachio cream to bring it back to life and make it nice and smooth. Here I'm buttering 4 sheets of phyllo, 3, and then the pistachio crumb on top, and then the last sheet, and then buttering as we go. Pour that mixture in, smooth it out, and then make sure you twirl those edges in and then butter them as well. And then finally, an egg wash to make the top nice and shiny. Bake at 180 degrees fan forced until it gets this nice dark brown colour and the phyllo becomes nice and crispy. And enjoy!